How to fix if you can't change your Facebook page name. So if you are trying to change the name of your Facebook page but it's saying that your page name can't be changed or something like that, then that might be due to various reason. So in order to fix that, watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Facebook page from where you will be able to explore the various things over here. So first, please reach out to the place from where you can change your Facebook page name. For that, just tap over the three bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and you have to tap over the settings option over here. And here, just go for the page settings, and here is the name option at the top. Just tap over there. So this is the box from where you can change the name of your Facebook page. But before solving this problem, you need to read the note. It's saying that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So previously, if you have changed your name of your Facebook page and now hasn't been 6 days of changing your Facebook page name, then also you won't be able to change the name of your Facebook page. That's the main thing. So it's clearly mentioned that you won't be able to change your Facebook page name within the interval of 60 days. So you need to know that this is the main fix. Another thing is while creating the page name, if you haven't met the criteria for creating or naming the page, then also you won't be able to change the name. So before creating, you need to be aware or you need to know what kind of name you need to have on your page. That's the main thing. And another thing is if you have got slow internet or weak internet connection, then only this action won't be fulfilled, because without proper internet connection, you cannot do any action on Facebook. So before that, make sure internet connection is stable and it's working, then only you'll be able to fix this problem. That's the thing. So with this way, you'll be able to fix if you can't change your Facebook page name. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.